the broken road, mothers count the hours with a heavy load. Flood in the lowlands, dust in the hills. Every prayer in the morning, trying to pay the bills. But we still rise, still stand tall, hands in the air, we won't fall. From Port-au-Prince to the sea, hear our voices, set us free. Haiti, hold on. Haiti, hold on. Ticambe, Ticambe, we carry on. Haiti, hold on. Hey, Haiti, hold on. From the pain to the dawn, we carry on. Hey, empty shelves, long lines, power cuts at night. Young ones leave the island, still chasing light. Leaders make promises, then turn away. But the people keep marching, come what may. Hey, we are more than the wound, more than the fear, more than the news. Hear the drums, hear the voice. In the storm, we still rejoice. Haiti, hold on. Haiti, hold on. Haiti, hold on. Ticambe, Ticambe, we carry on. Haiti, hold on. Haiti, hold on. Haiti, hold on. From the pain to the dawn, we carry on. Say their names, lift the ground, build it back, brick by brick now. No more silence, no more lies. Haiti shining in our eyes. Haiti, hold on. Haiti, hold on. Haiti, hold on. Ticambe, Ticambe, we carry on. Haiti, hold on. Haiti, hold on. Haiti, hold on. From the pain to the dawn, we carry on. We carry on. Haiti, hold on. Haiti, hold on. Ticambe, Ticambe, we carry on. We carry